All right. Let's get it, bro. What's up? I'm gonna call you Abri. Abrizu. Actually, Abrizu. Maybe Abrizu sounds cool. Okay, where are we at? Crypto Craze Central. What's up, brother? How are you, man? You guys all in the Discord? Nice. 50%. What's up, Kumar? I got cereal here. Yesterday was good, yeah. You've been on a good. You saw your stream after? Yeah, yesterday was a good day. We ended up passing the funded. Why don't you trade crypto? I don't have enough capital for it to be like really good. I passed one funded yesterday, so now we have two funded accounts. We're gonna try and pass more. And work towards a payout. I'm like a couple trades from taking a payout, probably. Maybe like if you get a good one today, maybe today. Um, let's see. Do we have news today? 8:30 news, right? Core PCE price index 8:30. Okay. In crypto, you don't need a big amount. You don't? How long you been trading? How much is your capital? Well, for starters, I'm trading with prop firms, so I'm not really using any of my capital. You're asking like how much money's in my savings? All my savings are in stocks right now. Literally every single dollar is in stocks, and I'm trying to grow it slowly. Right. But the main source of income is going to be the payouts from funded accounts. I don't have enough. I don't have enough cap. I'm not like trading futures on my own live account. I don't have enough capital yet. The goal is to keep getting more payouts, grow the capital, and then trade on my own live account. Props have, prop firms are just kind of free. There's really no need to use your own capital. Where can I get a funded account? Well, I use TopStep. I like TopStep. They're simple. It's easy. I like the platform from a prop firm. This guy's a prop firm master now, bro. I'm bearish. I'm bearish. I mean, actually, honestly, honestly, like Alev said, it's not a clear bias, especially because it's Friday. Have you tried Quant Tower? Quant Tower. No, I haven't. I believe they're good though. I haven't tried that. I've only tried Apex and TopStep. I trade futures. Honestly, I mean, I'm more bearish for sure. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if we just consolidated today. We're not gonna, maybe today we won't look for like a big move. We'll just look for a quick one. Cause like my bias is not that clear. Really not. Like I want lower on ES, but The fact we've already expanded into this wick, I mean, yeah, we could reject off the wick. What's up, Alev? Good morning, brother. Amen, bro. Amen, you won't even guess the number, bro. You wouldn't even guess. You don't even guess the number, bro. Like, I want lower, but not that clear. And it's Friday. We already had a good week. I'm not gonna force anything. Oh no, it's that much more. It is that much more again, bro. Daily chart says bearish for an NQ. I don't think we could run for all-time highs now. ES already expanded. Took previous day high, trading below. We have SMT. Oh no, we don't. I think I still want shorts. This fair value gap was respected. If we start trading above the daily fair value gap, then maybe. But for now, we're still actually. Yeah, I'm definitely leaning for. I'm leaning towards shorts. And I'm leaning towards short. I would be honestly pretty comfortable looking for longs into this fair value gap and then shorts. But I have to do both trades lower risk. What's up, Rohit? Yo, Eamon, honestly, bro, can I pay you to reply to DMs? What does 3 long red candles mean? I don't know. Displacement. Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm good. Life's good. We had a good trading week. We had a good week posting content. Things good. I actually had a good sleep today, which is nice. What do you think about TGR trades? He legit. Um, what do I think? Well, for starters, he's made a lot of money from trading and mentorships. In my opinion, he's probably made more from his mentorship. Um, the way he trades is not. But I don't want to hate on the way someone else trades because what works, what works. I personally don't. I wouldn't trade the same way he does. Like me, just the way I see things. Um, I feel like he just makes it a little bit too simple, and simple is good, but like I feel like he doesn't really look at the higher time frames, and I don't know. Like I don't want to talk shit, but I just don't want to trade like that. But he's breaking. Casper is fraud. Um, I don't think Casper is a fraud. I think Casper is actually one of those people who does really good. I like people who don't sell courses. I like people who like if they sell a mentorship, that's different. Because in a mentorship they'll teach you one on one. Like that's actually time. Like, like I'm working with you one on one. I don't think Casper is a fraud. I like the way he trades. He sells a course. I mean, he's not necessarily a fraud just because he sells a course. Personally, I mean, it's just money, right? Like he's just trying to make money, which I get. Bro, which chart app? This is trading view, brother. You have to use. You don't have to, but I feel like trading view is the best. What's your bias on EU and GU? What's up, Umar? EU and GU. Bearish. Not the Corsair brother. It's another matter. Oh, something else just came out. You're saying? Did he fake some testimonials? Listen, personally, in my opinion, bro, you can't trust anyone. You bearish for today, yeah, but like it's not that clear. Like the daily chart is Friday. It's not that clear. I'm expecting lower prices. NQ's kind of respecting the daily fair value gap. There's a long wick. We already we already started trading into the ES wick. There's a weekly fair value gap below. Like it's definitely leading towards shorts for me. But I'm going lower risk today for sure because it's Friday and it's not perfectly clear. 8:30 removed all plans. Yeah. Well, so usually what I do with 8:30 on my way to gym, bro. This guy thinks he's him going vacation. Nah. Someone asked me EU and GU. I'm bearish because we just 4 hour bearish fair value gap in premium. Same thing with the DXY. Bullish on DXY. This is the 4 hour. Expecting these equal highs to get run and expecting these. If there's SMT here, we made a lower high, here made a. So this is showing strength, this is showing weakness. So yeah, it's still valid, I think. Someone selling you something, they're also looking to make profit from you. Just saying. Yeah, that's the thing. Like if someone was selling something, I'm not saying necessarily they're a fraud. I'm not saying it's not worth it. But I'm saying it definitely makes it a lot harder to trust them because you don't really know. You can't really trust someone. Um, so you know. Oh, that's a good trade. Let's see what do you do? Short day 30 above 830. That's nice. 15-second FEG. That's amazing, bro. We can add an emoji here. I'm willing to take longs into a premium and then take shorts, both of which would be lower risk. I'll give myself 2 opportunities today. I'm happy doing that. The model hits. I mean, we're trading isn't really a higher time frame PD rate. I mean, sure, this order block is 4 hour bearish fair value gap. If we inverse, ESI is 4 hour bullish fair value gap, whereas NQ, it's 4 hour actually a while back, took out the buy side. This is NQ 4 hour bullish fair value gap. Do platforms make you pay out? Do platforms make you pay, receive interest? Interest? I don't know about interest. Yeah, I'm gonna need to get better with my trade management when I'm trading on the live account. Trade management is important, but trade management and risk management can easily be the things that stop you from being profitable. Easily. Like that is one thing that you can change to help you win more trades. Like guaranteed. Oh, yeah, we took out the buy side. Oh, you're saying ES didn't take out buy side? For me, like I'm not where are you from? I'm from the GTA. I've closed so many trades early. What I like to do, personally, this is just me. I don't like to take out previous day. I'm leaning towards shorts. Yeah, let's mark out previous day low. That's a long way. Maybe. I am leaning towards shorts. I don't know how much of a range we're gonna have, but I'm leaning towards shorts. But like I said, it's Friday. The bias isn't that clear. It's not as clear as it was on the other days for me. And it's Friday. I'm usually not that good on Friday if I'm being honest. So for me, I'm still bearish, but I'm gonna probably lower my risk today. Especially because we had a good week. I'm gonna humble myself a little bit, you know. Elliot, what I like to do, this is me personally. I'm gonna tell you guys something that people overlook. This is something people overlook. Yo, partials are great, but you know what people do a lot of the time? They partial under 2 risk to reward, right? They'll be like, oh, hit 1R. Sure, that's okay. Um, for me though, I don't like to take trades that where I'm gonna be partialing under 2R because what happens is if you're taking profits at 2R and then you get stopped, like you take a partial and even if it funds the trade, like the whole point of 2R is so that your win rate can be 33% and you can be profitable. But if you keep taking profits at 1R, that's not, like that's not 2R, you know? If I take out previous daily low, bro, if it takes out previous daily low, that's insane, bro. That would be insane. We have a small SMT here. I might use that to long into this fair value gap on the 15. There's a breaker in here, isn't there? This is a breaker. If you take 2 bad trades, you fucked. Yeah, for me, like I personally, I don't like one to one R. Can you mark out the 15-minute breaker once on NQ? This is your breaker block on NQ. So for me, I don't like to partial unless it's 2R or more. I partial at 2R and I'll leave runners more. Can you explain why you drew a line there? What zone? This line is midnight opening price. So every candle has an opening price. This is the daily candle's opening price. So if the daily candle is gonna go lower, I would expect it to do this. Right, it would go like this, up, down, and then close. This line right here is this line. For my agent liquidity works like a magnet. Yeah, it really is. Mr. 5 came for a mentorship. What I heard from a target so people you say managed to face 30 of them, then popped off roll. So I got like talking about who are you talking about, Rohit? And to be honest, I think like check your Discord. Oh, it's fine. Just gotta ban this guy. Yeah, man, fuck these people, bro. This guy's weird, bro. How do you ban someone? Appreciate you for telling me. Okay, you gotta do it like this. Yo, yo, chill, 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 chill. I gotta go to his profile. Oh, did he leave the? Bro, there's so many people in here. It's like genuinely hard to delete him now. I actually, oh, someone did it. I think Alev did it. I appreciate you, bro. How do you delete someone, bro? I actually don't know. Oh, right click on their name. I think that was Alev's, bro. Alev's is a fucking G, bro. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, we broke that SMT. I'll tell you one thing for sure is I'm not shorting from here. So if we don't come back up, we're gonna be price reading today. Okay, the real OG. What's up, Raj? Hey man, I got nothing to sell because I'm not claiming to be the best trader. I'm claiming that I think I'm on the right path. I think I'm gonna be really good. I think I'm doing things good. If you want to watch the genuine journey of someone who's like put in a lot of work and is trying to execute, that's me, bro. I don't even want to mentor anybody really. I mean, I like helping people, but I don't want to. I don't know what course do I have to sell, bro. I could make a course and sell it. Maybe some people would buy it, but that's not satisfying to me. You're doing good, but today I'm gonna watch you live. Appreciate you, Sergio. Been good. I can't lie. So been good so far. He trading demo, and after he called, he delete the post. Let's go. How'd you find the breaker? The breaker is it's a pattern. It's not like those other patterns. It's basically a liquidity sweep followed by a market structure shift. So here you have a swing high, you have a swing low, you have a swing higher high, and then a swing lower low. The last down close candle before the lower low. So we have this, right? This is your breaker. The reason this is a breaker block is because it's what led to the break of structure after liquidity was swept. So liquidity sweep over up here and then market structure shift. That's a breaker. It's different than just this. Not this. This is a market structure shift with no liquidity sweep, so it's less probable. But now we already took out the buyers. I mean the sellers. But where do you live? Okay, trying to for a few months. I come to your city. I live in like Toronto. Like if you came to Toronto, then nothing you would find me, but I would be able to find you. I appreciate you all for what? All for what? All right, let's go to the 9:30. Would I long this open? I'm expecting higher prices at 9:30, right when we open. Um, I don't know if I would take it though. It's not really my model. We did take out this low actually. Maybe if there's SMT there. What low is this? 18? Oh, yesterday's Asia lows swept. Yeah, I'm expecting higher prices at 8:30. Let's see if ES wants to take out that same low. Looks like it will. Highest viewers 22. Let's go, man. I have a lot of DMs to reply to. I'll have to do it after stream though. Okay, well, I was definitely wrong about that. If we're just going to be selling off the whole day, then this is going to be tough. Increasing day by day. Let's go, man. This is not shortable. This is not shortable for me. It's got to come back up here. Maybe we'll sweep this low, and then from there go higher. Appreciate your explanation. Yeah, bro. If you have any questions, just let me know. Tapped into this fair value gap. We'd have to start wicking right now for me to go long. If we like really start to wick, it does not show any signs of that. Let's see. I'm from India. Well, welcome, brother. Welcome. If we start wicking very hard, I'd consider longs. We'd have to displace this candle, but I would consider longs. 15-minute fair value gap. Yesterday's Asia low. Well, actually, we didn't really touch this wick yet, but let's see. See, ES didn't take this low. I wanted to. If we can get, so this is a high. Sorry, this is a low. If we can do this, what am I doing? If we can do this, I'll look for a long. Do you start your analysis before or during the live? Honestly, bro, it takes me like only a couple minutes to get my bias. I'll always do it like a couple minutes before 9:30. It'll take me like a minute to find my bias, and then so I find my bias, and then I find my draw on liquidity, and then kind of like my setup. So like right now, I found my bias. I'm bearish, but there's no way I'm taking longs. I mean, there's no way I'm taking shorts from here. Absolutely not. I'm taking shorts from here. We're in a far discount of the daily range, so I'm expecting price to come higher towards midnight, reprice towards midnight opening. I don't think price is drawn to the breaker, but we swept lows. Now I'm expecting retracement into the imbalance. So like you ask yourself, are we gonna go lower for lows or imbalances? Or are we gonna go higher? It makes more sense now that we tapped into this fair value gap and swept some sell side. It makes sense for us to go higher for some of these imbalances. So now short term I'm bullish. It's against my bias because overall I'm bearish, but the way I like to trade is I'm happy taking, this is a bullish breaker. I'm happy taking a small risk long towards where I want to short from. This is the breaker with a fair value gap. Can you show how you identify fair value gap? Fair value gap is basically a gap. So you can see, mark this one out because this one matters. I'm not taking this breaker, by the way. Look at Nas. I don't like. I want Nas to form a breaker, and then I'll take Nas. This would be the breaker. High, low, or low, high, lower, low. I need a higher high. By the way, this is pretty much what happened. I think we're gonna come back for this low. I'm gonna be patient. It's pretty early. There's no macro in play yet either. Fair value gap is this right here. So you see this box I just marked out? The reason this is a fair value gap is because we have the first candle low and the third candle high. You see that wick? Third candle high. 1, 2, 3. They don't overlap. It's just this body, this large displacement. Whenever you see large displacement, usually there's a fair value gap in there. So that's what I'm looking at here. Pair that with other things, and you have a really good draw on liquidity. I think it's gonna take a low. This can be 1 minute SMT. If NQ doesn't. Oh no. This low was taken. Sorry, I didn't mark out that. I didn't mark out that low. There is SMT higher time frame right here. See, I'm happy longing NAS because on NAS we swept the 15-minute low and we tapped into the 15-minute fair value gap. And could you please explain inversion and how you trade them? Same way you do a fair value gap. So you see this bearish fair value gap. This is a bearish fair value gap. I'll make it red so you can see that it's bearish. This is a bearish fair value gap. See right now how it's closing above? I'm probably going to long this if it closes above. Low risk. I'll do 2 micros. Once it closes above, like it invalidates it, it now becomes an inversion fair value gap. You can expect it to support price higher. And the markets are not really in sync right now. What's DXY doing? Soft rally, I guess. Maybe towards maybe lower. I'm gonna wait for it to close above, and I would take this. I will take this. It looks pretty good. Might wait for retracement because the entry is not that good. I should have taken it earlier, maybe. 2 R's, not bad. We might miss it here, but let's see. There's a breaker block. I should have entered a little bit earlier there, anticipating that. But let's see if we can take this. Let's go for the limit entry right there. Not really good risk to reward, to be honest. Let's see. I'm gonna have to give it. Where would you target? I would target this breaker because this is where I want to short from. But if I don't get good risk to reward, I'm definitely not gonna take it then. Looks like we're gonna chop. We might because these markets are out of sync. ES just went to midnight opening. Like ES is in short territory right now. Which is like what's another thing that's making this long lower probability. This is not a bad long. Put my stop loss here. $70. It's not bad. I'm happy with this long. So we're long on the fair value gap that lines up with the breaker. Expecting price to go higher. We'll do 3 micros on this one. Stop loss is not that good if I'm being honest. That's why we're doing 2 micros only. If it wants to fill us, let's see. Because we inverse this, I need a retracement. If it doesn't happen in like before we take this high though, I'm gonna close. I don't want to take this high before getting in the trade. It would have been a good idea to long right here when I anticipated it, but I was too slow. I wasn't convinced, so. Let's see, if it takes us high, I'm probably gonna close the trade. Yeah. Actually, maybe not because, oh, if it leaves equal highs, that would be amazing, actually. It will drop hard for my limit. Let's see. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm still bearish. I want to short from here. Stop loss is like right at OTE. This isn't a good trade. I'm going to close this limit. Let's focus on our shorts. It was a good entry. Hindsight. I would have had to market buy right here. I was tempted, but I didn't do it. Let's look for our shorts. We can look for a 950 a.m. 9:50 a.m. We're looking for our shorts. 50-minute bearish breaker. Yeah, I know. This short is too clean. I was gonna long into it, but there wasn't really good risk to reward. As soon as we get 1-minute confirmation in here, I'm gonna short. Daily IRL to IRL, daily FG to last high. You're in that longs? Talking about this fair value gap to this all-time highs? Yeah, let's wait for shorts. Good evening, brother. No, that's my bullish bias. Oh, okay. Valid. Always trust your bias, bro. Whatever your bias is, trust it. Don't let anyone persuade you. Um, let's leave both of these marked. I don't like how it like overlaps like that. Okay, let's see. Hindsight Harry now. I'm not taking this trade. Let me be right here. This was the trade I wanted. I didn't take it. I closed it. I didn't like my stop loss placement. It's not really a good stop loss. Like this is not an A plus trade. And look, it says what does it say at the top? It says A plus trades only. But let's see in hindsight, would it have played out? Let's see. I think it will, but you know what we could do is if we inverse this, we can market buy and just do like a small risk like this. Trade like this. That's not a bad idea. No, it is not. That I'm okay with. And it's a lot lower risk. All right, let's focus up here. It looks like we're going to inverse. No, I want to buy. How do I buy? Just click this button, bro. All right, we're going to do it. We're going to do it. Very tight stop loss. Oh, shoot, I didn't take it on this. 1 second. All right, well, market buy 2 there. Very tight stop. Very tight stop. Low risk against my bias. We're targeting the 15-minute fair value gap. 211350. 2113. All right, let's see if it plays out. Very low risk. I'm happy trading against my bias with low risk. We did form a, looks like we're forming a fair value gap here. That would be nice. Looks like it'll run. We caught it on all accounts. Why did it say? Oh, whatever. Nice. I think it's good. Yeah, I think we got just a little quick one towards our short area. I don't recommend trading against your bias, but this was good, and I'm probably just gonna break even in a bit. I don't want to get chopped up. This isn't even a good trade, so we're gonna break even very shortly. Because I don't want to see it retrace into here and then potentially invalidate. I took this trade hoping for a run up. So we're going to break even here. It's not the best. She's put our stop loss right here. That's fine. We might just close it if it starts to reverse or like wick. I don't want to see wicks. I want to see it just get me out. It will run. I can feel it. I think so. It's a good trade. It didn't really have a reason to come lower, right? Because this is the drawn liquidity. How far did you go into ICT concepts? Pretty deep. I think I've pretty much learned everything ICT teaches. Okay, that should be TP right there. Don't just, yeah, I should just run through. Nice. Okay, first trade dub. Small trade. We're in short territory now, which is nice. Now we can kind of, I don't want to say risk our profits, but risk our profits, you know. Okay, we're in 15-minute fair value gap, and we're looking for the 15-minute breaker. Okay, let's wait for 950 macro. 950 macro is in play. I kept the limit on from earlier. Oh, this one? Oh, you just got filled here. Oh, nice, 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 bro. Yeah, that's a good trade. The reason I didn't take it here is because I couldn't find a good stop loss like here. We could have went for like this order block maybe. Good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Good thinking, good decision making. Thank you, thank you, thank you. W long. That was a W long, right? Counter trend. I'll see if we can find shorts. ES tapped into the 15-minute and Q tapped into the 15-minute. What we want to see is, yeah, that breaker would be nice. Or just even just this 1-minute fair value gap, which we tapped into. This is what I want to see. I'm gonna show you guys right now. This is what I want. We get this, that's gonna give me an A setup. If this setup also forms SMT right here, that's A plus, and I'm gonna go with like a little bit more risk. I need a swing high, swing low, higher high, lower low. If it happens on the 30-second time frame, that's okay with me too. I know you guys can't see the 30-second time frame, but I'm looking right here on my Top Step X account. So yeah, a breaker blocks liquidity sweep followed by market shift. So there's our high. Could we put in a low before? Probably not. SMT inside the breaker would be nice too. Okay, we just tapped into the 15-minute breaker. We're 3 minutes away from 950. This is like really good timing. This is a really good timing. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna mark out the daily range. And I'm gonna mark out this level. This is equilibrium. Now I'm gonna come here and see where can we potentially look for take profits. It's right here, right at equilibrium, the first PD array. That's an awful place. Fuck that, I'm taking that shit off. Forget that. Oh, forget that. We're gonna look for these lows. Okay. We tapped into the breaker. That's an SMT inside the 15-minute breaker. Just I need something, you know? I like that wick. ES is giving a nice fair value gap. I feel like I just need something. There's a rejection block in there. I need something. Hey, bro, what's the good news in the side? We had a word on Discord. Welcome, brother. If you just joined, we took one win. I'm gonna look for one more. I'm gonna look for a short. If it gives me a nice setup, I need some conviction though. Maybe if we wick 50% here. I will mark out 50%. That's 50% of the wick. If we can wick, you go live every trading day, yeah. S&P inside the 15-minute breaker and 15-minute fair value gap. 1 minute away from the macro. It's gonna run that temporary high. That would be nice. Remember, I don't know if you guys remember, but I said this would be A. If this forms, this is A. Is there a 30-second breaker? High, low, higher, high. There could be potential 30-second breaker. Watching the 30-second time frame on my left monitor. If it wants to run that high, that would be, yeah, that would be nice. I would want that. Sweep the high, form SMT, and then give me a breaker. Yeah. Now go lower. Now go lower. How old is you? I'm 21, brother. If it goes lower, this is beautiful. So the 30-second breaker is 21165, 2105, 21165, 21105. This what I'm drawing is a 30-second breaker. You can't really tell. Whatever. This is a little bit too high. SMT is broken. Kind of going a little bit too high for my liking. If we inverse this, which is kind of, yeah, this is a lot more higher. I didn't want it to go this high, so let's stay patient here. We're wicking pretty hard on ES. It feels like it really wicks and closes bearish. That's good. Damn, it's about to inverse. Yeah, it looks like it's going to inverse the 15-minute. I mean, we have 9 minutes. But what's our top 5 best strategy? Any ICT strategy is good. I need to see a wick. So what I need to see is this get inversed now. So let's move all this to mark out this fair value gap. I need to see a long like rejection, like right now. Mark out 50% of the thing. I'm not trading this unless we need a large. I need large displacement now because that's a strong push into the fair value gap that we did not really need. It almost invalidates the fair value gap. So unless we can wick really strongly, I'm gonna mark out 50%. Unless we're trading below 50% of the fair value gap, I'm not taking any longs. I mean shorts. Gotta trade below 50%. AKA it needs to inverse this fair value gap. So if it gives me an inversion there, yeah, I'm okay with it. Is there a breaker in here? Is there SMT in here? SMT 839, but like, do I really care about that SMT? You still have that bearish order block. So the bearish order block would be like, yeah, it'd be these candles. So I guess you can say we tapped in, but like I said, I need some displacement lower, otherwise I'm not convinced. I do like that we're at the macro. I need displacement though. Because now let's see if we can catch a short, like let's say it inverses and we get filled right here. We'd get something like this. We can target that low for at least 2R and then potentially leave a runner. So that's not bad risk to reward. So yeah. What do you think about Forex brokers? I have an account with Oanda. 10 minutes in your game starts to have sleep a higher low than version of sales ICT concept. Yes, of course, I trade ICT, brother. Or like we can still, you know what we'll do is, so yeah, I like this more actually. We can wait for this potential 30-second breaker. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. If we can like into there. I'm looking at the 30-second breaker. Hey man, just showing your Discord. Welcome, brother. Okay, if we can get SMT here and displace lower, that's good. Yes, tapped into 50% of the 50-minute fair value gap. I need displacement like now. We had 9:45 news. Hey man, if I have to walk away with my little scalp, I'll walk away with it. We do have SMT here. If we inverse this, that's a low risk. It's low risk. We might go for it. Let's see if we can put in a short term. I really don't want to see that high get taken. Above midnight, yeah, above midnight. But we're just like, look at this. Like we're about to. It looks like we're inversing the 15-minute. I need to see displacement. If we form a breaker here with SMT, that's cool. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. But like I said, I'm waiting for it. I need displacement. Otherwise, no trade, no way. It's too far extended. Basically, I need this 15-minute candle to start wicking aggressively, and there's 5 minutes. And if it inverses it, 5 minutes too bullish. This is really bullish. Like I would, which pair? This is Nasdaq. 5 minutes really bullish. We didn't inverse the 5 minute yet. Like I said, we do need a strong wick. Like I'm giving it some room to color outside the lines. If we get market structure shift fair value gap here. How can I get the ebook? It's in my Discord server, brother. It's in under resources. Just chop. Yeah, we could just chop. You're right. We took out buy side. I really like this 15-minute retrace though. I don't like the reaction. Retrace into OTE as well. I like that retracement. I just need to see some displacement. Oh, I'm running our ICT wrap. $15-minute candle closes in 4 minutes. New Drake. Yeah, I don't. This is not really. We need a Drake down candle. I need a strong down candle. I need like 2 strong down candles. I'm mostly looking at this fair value gap. If this one can get invalidated and give me a market structure shift short term, that's good. Ideally, it happens before 10. So we potentially see 10 a.m. power of 3. Like we get like one of these, whatever. Maybe I'll short it, but like, are we in an hourly fair value gap? We're targeting this hourly wick. It's just we've been really bullish. I need to see. 5-minute ES looks good. ES is doing good. Yeah, ES is doing good. ES respecting 15 minute FEG. I have the SMT here. If we displace, I'm in. Give me some displacement. ES looks a lot better. See how ES closes below this 5-minute. ES respects the 15-minute, displaces the 5-minute. That's good probabilities. Of course, patience is everything. Especially because we already took one. I know it was a small win. What was it? $100. Not bad. Short it? You short it, bro. Fuck. I ain't shorting this. Not yet, at least. Two minutes till the 15-minute candle closes. Now we have like a stronger SMT. It would need to displace like right now. High, low, higher high. Give me a breaker, displace right now, strong wick, and I'll look. If it shows like it's gonna inverse this and give me this breaker, I'll take it. Like right now. We have news in 2 minutes, do we? I thought the news was 9:45. It was like some random PMI something. It could take out the high. Yeah, definitely. It could take out the high. The way I trade those candles is, I don't know if it's a CPI candle. Is it CPI? I don't fucking know. I'll look at 50% of the 15-minute fair value gap, and I'll look at the high. Usually, for me, and most of my trades are 50% fair value gap, like ES. That's usually where I find my best CPI trades. But there was a couple where like it just took the high, and then I found my, or like the short, whatever, vice versa. I guess, yeah, we should just mark out the high, which honestly I don't like. I don't know if I like that. I want to see displacement like right now. I don't want to see another high get put in. Not nice, really. It's just so bullish. We're in the volume imbalance, 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna go for that high now. There's no way I'm shorting this. We'll have to see if we get a potential short off the high. And then we'd have a really good high probability SMT. Because it'll be at the 8:30 high. Key time, key level. I want to see this high. You know what? Not necessarily, we don't even have to take the high. But this 50% wick. Data highs. Yeah, some people call them data high. Let's look at, okay, yeah. Oh, I guess we did have 10 a.m. news. I swear I looked at the news, there was no 10 a.m. news. What was 10 a.m. news? Bro. Revised consumer, whatever. Okay, we took the high. Okay, this is good. Did you guys take the high? No, I like this. See, now I like this. Ameer like this. Now we're in short territory because we swept full buy side. Some people saw this as resistance. Okay, what do I need to see now? Going short on SPX 500. I hope you didn't click short yet, brother. Bruh. Okay, brother. It's okay. Brother lives. Brother lives. This guy said, bruh. Brother will live. You will live to see another day. My boy. Yo, I honestly, bro, I wish I could help you. I wish I could just give you a hug, bro. I actually feel good. The timing was truly unfortunate, bro. That's truly unfortunate. It that lasted about 1 second. It is what it is, bro. You're good, bro. Don't worry, man. Part of the game. Don't worry, but when I start getting payouts, I'm gonna start gifting away shit. This shit all time high. Good, bro. 15-minute inverted. Yeah. I'm not. I would have wanted to see an instant reaction. We didn't get an instant reaction. DXY was bearish. No, oh DXY looked like DXY. I mean DXY was bullish though. I mean, you're short. Good luck. I'm gonna have to see if this inverses, and it has to be aggressive. Like I'm just like calling out potential shorts, and it's just disrespecting everything. Looks like it's. Am I the only one who wants shorts? I've been waiting for shorts. I took one long into the 15-minute fair value gap that was bearish. Like, and then I want to short from it. I've been waiting for a short setup, but nothing formed, and now it's looking really fucking bullish. The market wants what the market wants, bro. I don't even know how I want to short this, bro. And it's definitely too late to take longs. Yo, imagine we left a runner, bro. I mean, that's hindsight is shit. Look at the 4-hour time frame. There is a bearish for value gap up there, but like, is this a Friday? This is Friday. It's just printing. Shit is definitely printing. Yeah, we do have the 4-hour, but like I said, even if we tap into the 4-hour, oh, this 4-hour bullish FEG. Yeah, it's plain, but we already took out the buy side. We are expecting shorts inside this bearish, but you know what? We're probably way above the daily as well. Yeah. Thank you, Judy. It's all thanks to you. I did change my disclaimer. So funny. There's no way we're shorting this right now. I mean, we took the little long, which is good. That was a good entry bar for us to take that long. But Legend says that down close candles don't form anymore. Let's see what happens at the 4-hour fair value gap. Yes is already in. Bro, yes, all-time highs. I pivoted a very late long deep in premium. I'm not sure deep in 2 minutes. Yeah, same. And then printed the next. That's exactly what happened to me, bro. Where did I take my long? I market bought off this right here. As soon as we inverted this, I wanted this fair value gap, but I didn't take it because I didn't like the stop loss placement. Like, is I gonna put it here or at the low? I don't want to put it at the low. It's too much risk for it, that trade. So I market bought right here, and I got really nice risk to reward. It was like I literally just went like this or something. It was like this. I targeted like where did I target? It was like somewhere here or here. But I went lower risk, so it didn't yield that much. But we can't complain, obviously. I don't know if I can. I will say one thing: PM is probably gonna reverse all of this, or like at least 50% if this just keeps going. I went high risk on some stupid ass sell pre-market 9:30 and it worked. Hey, good shit, bro. Yeah, I don't know. I hate Fridays. To be honest, I hate Fridays because I suck at Friday. I'm here for support. Thank you, brother. TGIF. Yeah, all time highs is definitely in the picture. This shit would just happen. Hold on, yo. Does that mean? Yo. Hold on, hold on. Back in the 60s, bro. We're back in the 60s. Go. Bro, I have all my listen. I genuinely mean this. I have my entire savings in the stock. Call me stupid, I don't care. Call me whatever you want. All my savings is in this stock. Right? I'm not gonna say what price I bought it at, but let's just say that there is a gap right here that I'm potentially targeting. All right. Yes, all-time highs? Nope, not yet. That's all I'm gonna say. Thanks for signal. Wait, what signal? Oh, the monthly FEG is holding? Which monthly FEG, bro? Oh, this one? We could target the bearish monthly FEG. Bro, equal highs on the monthly, bro. Get me in this trade, bro. I genuinely don't know what you're talking about. Monthly FEG. The bearish one? Bro, it's been a bad month. QBanks better be broken an ICT trader. Little words of wisdom. QBanks is the GOAT? QBanks is definitely not the GOAT, but hey man, to each their own. Oh, okay. What is this line that I drew? Oh, it's a 4 hour. Risk was managed. Took the L. That's good, bro. Yeah. When this happens, like you really need to start seeing like a very strong displacement. Like, just think about like you have to think about it always on both sides. If you were in longs here, you would be feeling like a fucking king right now. You would not be thinking like, yo, this might reverse. No, come on, bro. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down close candles. All of them with lower wicks. What the fuck just happened? Bro, we caught this crazy long 200 point. No, I'm just joking. I can't even tell you what happened, bro. We're pushing all-time highs. What's your opening on? What's your opinion on Ali Khan? I think he's been known to scam people. So if that's true, I don't respect. I can't speak on it, but I've seen some things about him that they say he scams people. Therefore, I reacted so much. Yeah, that is the one good thing. Unless you turtle soup something, you you didn't really get like, that's true. Because I'll tell you one thing, I would have fucking lost, bro. I would have. Not only did I say I was gonna short it, I said I was gonna increase my risk if we took a short. Like if I was looking for a breaker to form on the 32nd, and if it formed, I promise you I would have increased my risk. We're potentially looking at all-time highs here for that. Yes, it's 10 points away. Which playlist in ICT did you learn inversion, or did you learn with Dodgy? Where did I learn inversion FEGs? It's a good question, actually. He's definitely talked about it in live streams. I'll say that. I watched every single ICT live stream. Um, yeah, they didn't displace. Yeah, same here, brother. Exactly same here. I don't think anyone could have called this out, really. Could they have? I don't know. Listen, if someone, are you funded? Yeah, I'm funded on 2 accounts. We took a win on both accounts actually. Well, we took a win on 7 accounts. I have 5 challenge accounts, 2 funded accounts. They all caught the same $100 win. We went with low risk, so it's like $20 risk. It's like a nice 5R or like 4R. Usually I risk more, but I didn't. I was bearish and I took a long, so I decrease my risk when I do that. I think I learned them from ICT's executions and his videos. He has a lot of execution videos and he has a lot of live streams. And I've watched every single live stream. They're very insightful. At this point, I don't want to participate in these longs. All time high is definitely in the scope. Uh, Maybe 50%. 2023, 2024 live streams. Yes. If you look at his execution videos, you need to start sizing up. I mean, shit, I'll size up once I got the funds. I only have 1350 on this account. Yes, it's next to all-time highs. Yeah, it's definitely in the scope. I don't see it falling short. Also, I think like, is it potentially longable? This is a breaker, right? Depends on prop firms. I mean, you was right, bro. This isn't a bad long. I usually risk 10%. That's my like. That's a shitty RR. I usually risk 10%. That's my standard. 4-hour bearish. Fair value gap. Place it. We could look for TGIF. Not get them into order flow. Yeah, this is hard. 10% risk. Yes, sir. 10% risk. So if I have $2,000, I'm gonna risk 200. Well, it depends on the trade. I'll do either 5, 10, or 15%. 10% is my standard. 10 trades. I don't think I'll lose 10 trades in a row. So I'm happy with 10%. Nvidia? Yeah. Oh shit, that's what I was gonna look at. You fucking reminded me. I was gonna see like what the fuck. $3, 10%. That's what I was trying to look at. Okay, we're pretty close to all-time highs. 6 points. 10% risk. Yo, a lot of people say, for example, they risk 1%. So you're telling me you have a $2,000 drawdown, you're gonna risk $2? What? Is that even possible? That's 1 point on a micro. How the hell are you gonna risk $2, bro? You ain't never passing that account, bro. That's all I'm saying. I think 10% is good. 5, 10, and 15%. You literally can't on future. You literally can't risk killing. You can't even do that, bro. I think 10% is good. If you're losing more than 10 trades in a row, I mean, 2% is $20 of 2K. Oh shit, it's not 2? Shit, yo, man, fuck you guys, fuck you guys. I've never been able to do risk less than 30 to 40. Listen, there's been times I risked 20. I think that trade I risked like 20. Shit, you guys got me, you guys got me. But when I say I risk 200, honestly, it's pretty rare because I'm trading micros. I don't even trade full. I don't have enough funds. You have to have a tight stop. I don't trade like right now. For example, most of my trades right now. So this account has 1,300. I'm trading around 3 micros with like 20 points. So most of my risk is like in that like 7.5% range. But that's because my account's in drawdown and I'm trying to build it back up. What does a promo account mean? What it says? Prom account? What's a prom account? Can someone buy me a 5K account? Well, I ain't gonna do that. I'll tell you that much. I got you, bro. Listen, just click buy on the next down close candle on ES. Put in like 10. We could risk all our profits for this one-to-one. Thoughts? Risk all our profits today for this one-to-one. How about we go long for the 15-minute breaker if it comes back? It's gonna be tough, brother. I don't know because ES is gonna take all-time highs, and we're gonna have SMT at all-time highs. So what I'm thinking right now, if I'm being honest, is we're in TGIF conditions. Potentially, we short this 4-hour bearish fair value gap once there's SMT at all-time highs. But like I said, I don't know. Like, yeah, maybe. Yeah, like I was expecting TGIF, so maybe like we can get like a 10:50 a.m. short. at like from the SMT at all-time highs. I'm not a fan of that. I don't have that kind of experience, but CE of the 4, yeah, like that was just hit right now. They won't probably form at 1050. I'm expecting some retracement for sure though, but it's gonna be hard to time it. All-time high is boring, yeah. Okay, well, yes, let's see. Um, let's see what happens here. I need some serious displacement. Displacement, yeah, and then I guess I would keep a like a low take profit, like the 15-minute or something. This old high. I don't know. We'll have to see. All-time highs SMT. Like if we respect this 4 hour, start trading below, and we have SMT at the highs. Not bad. I'm expecting, this weekly candle now is it at its yeah, this weekly candle is trading at its high, so we're expecting some lower prices. 15-second FEG. You short the 15-second FEG? The UTP already, bro? Well, that's 32. Bro, from here to here is 32 points. Holy shit, large range. Hey, what's up, profile? What's up, John? Quick, no idea. I'm good. Enjoy your weekend. Keep going, TT trades. Oh, hell no, you crazy. That's what I'm saying, bro. I was telling you was crazy, bro. Yo, trust me though, 5-second market maker sell model. If you see it, you see it. If you don't, you don't. That's all I can say. I am not shorting this. Forget it. Funded accounts, what do they mean by saying the rules when you buy capital can least 5 minimum days? You have to trade 5 minimum days, I think, before you can get a payout. Yeah, that's what they're trying to say. Listen, I don't know if I like this. I don't know. Okay, we had 3 down close candles. Is that really enough to short? 4 hour of the CE? 4 hour SCE? That's not it. I don't think that's it for me. 1002? Yeah, is that an OTE as well? I was gonna mark out OTE, see if I can catch a continuation long. Dealing range OTE. Now, like, I guess if you take the range, you would do something like this. But if you take the dealing range, that's not even in dealing range. Good. Well, the only sell side that was flipped was right here. That's crazy. This is the only time we made a lower low. I'm expecting TGIF conditions, but nah, I need to see ES take this high. I need ES to take all-time high. Too close. Pico. Pico's cool. Five-minute FEG holds price. I'm closing charts. Oh, this one right here. There's nothing here for me. This is not longable. We already took a little bit of a win. The only trade I can see that's A plus is if we take all-time highs, sharp displacement, we form SMT. Like it would be like this, like a 5-minute breaker. But do I really want to sit here and just wait for that big if? Which futures broker do you recommend? Tradeovate, Ninja Trader. That's always good. I'm inclined to just like not not take a trade. I think we go higher right now. We caught a small win. So far, we won every trade this week. It's Friday. It's this price action. It's hard. It's a difficult price action because is it really going to reverse or is it just going to retrace and you don't know how deep it'll retrace? I don't really want to trade retrace. I don't want to really trade retracements when the drawn liquidity is not clear. Like we could realistically, okay, maybe 50% you can target, but like it's not really clean. But you never know. If we get the 5 minute breaker, equal highs right here, they're gonna get run. This could be a potential long. I wouldn't take it. I would have. Well, I'd be in like right now as soon as it shows signs of inversion. There's SMT down there as well. Will you post this live? Yep. All my trades go. All my lives are posted. There's not too much to watch in here. I answered some questions. I took one win, small win. I'll show you the win right here. Just bought and sold right there. Quick one. Was like 20 points less. 13, 23, like 26 points. This is longable, in my opinion. Well, I'd be in. Let's see if these equal highs get taken, and then you could leave runner for all-time highs. Could take it on Nas. Super low risk. Literally something like this. 1 micro. But like that's just like just greeting for money. Like, it's not. It was A plus. What the hell is this? No, not A plus. Uh, would have risked our. We could have risked all our profits for like 350. It's not bad. Like 350 for risk 100 for 350. Looks like it'll play out too. Break even right now because the fair value gap. We're creating a 15-minute fair value gap. The bullish one? Oh yeah. Yeah, it's better to wait. Yeah, for sure. The only thing I can see is yeah, maybe like we take all-time highs. We get like a nice breaker if there's gonna be SMT at all-time highs, which there probably will be obviously. Um I'll look for a short like probably towards equal lows. 1 minute equal lows, 15-minute fair value gap, same thing. Looks like this will play out just like we thought. And I'm only gonna risk like yeah, less than what we made. We made 100. I'll risk like half. I'll risk like half of that if it happens, and it has to happen at 10:50. Lower bullet window. I like a plan, like at least around like 10:45. Sure. Put a vertical line right here. Oh, can't even see that. If we can catch like good risk to reward too. Hmm. Right. Well, it was good. Only 24 viewers. It's the most I've ever had. This is gonna go higher. Second trade, you could take is something like this. I'll just put my stop loss right here. You are. Oh, at 30? Damn. Oh yeah, I guess it's hard for me to see. I have to like check. ICT goes, I can't trade. We're gonna have shorts now. What's up, Ameer Hartley? Yeah, a lot of people say that, but I don't know. I mean, I know. I don't know why they don't know. I'll tell you one thing. Everyone who hates about ICT hasn't really tried ICT. I don't know anyone who's like actually taken the time to learn ICT and then be like, yeah, this fucking sucks. Nah, bro. That person doesn't exist. You so fucking precious. Okay, we got like 20 minutes until the macro. Incredible. What I want. Mhm, mhm, mhm. I drew that so ugly, but you get the point. I want to break here. They're replying to some DMs. If we wait till 10:50, we can get a silver bullet. Silver bullet retracement reversal. ICT coming up with a new strategy called bus arrive open time. Weird. That's a weird name. How'd you even think about that, bro? You on a bus right now? Hey, that's a sharp candle. You're in short? Nice. Where's your TP? True. Yeah, there is an SMT there, but I don't know if this isn't enough for me to take shorts. This just looks like manipulating out people who went long early and then we come back up. There's a 50-minute FEG, exactly. I'm not. I I'm looking for shorts right here. Soon as ES takes all-time highs and we have SMT, if we show displacement or a breaker, I'll take a short. Then and only then. And I will target some like internal lows or like 50% of the 10 a.m. candle or something like that. If that's going to displace them, we could go short. Hey man, if your model says go short, go short. For me, my model says no short. Don't focus too much. My advice to you, don't focus so much on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, okay, you see market structure shift or value gap, but look at the. You're telling me you see this and you see short? Where, bro? What short? I don't see no short. I see longs. I see higher prices. Like, where could you short from? One of these fair value gaps, maybe. Sure, that's understandable. What about ES? If you look at ES, where can you short from? Exactly. Drawn liquidity is too close. Took out this hourly high. The only place that makes sense to short from is right here. Really. Nothing else makes sense. So that's why I'm waiting. Trust me, I really don't think, in my opinion, we did not displace this entire range just to failure swing all-time highs. Or to at least not get like really close. The all-time high is a brain process. Bro, all I'm gonna say is I don't think I've ever longed and hit all-time high. I don't know. I've never first being the 50-minute FUG. Then all-time highs. Did we not tap in? That's a tap, no? Does that count as a tap? I think that counts. I mean, we could see lower. Like we could see this low get swept and then ES. Oh, we're talking about ES. Yeah, ES could come lower and then go. So we could see ES take out these lows. It minis and didn't tap. Oh, really? Well, I'm talking about oh, it's one tick above. That's funny. It's one tick above. Well, ES didn't tap in, and it's equal low, so it's the let's see. Bullish SMT. Yeah, you could definitely look for longs. Longs is fine. It's on the safer side, but I don't know. In my humble opinion, I think maybe we sweep this high, come back lower, take out this low, and then go higher. If I had to guess, but like, listen, that's not the kind of price action you want to predict. Like, this is just me reading and predicting. I would never trade something like this. There is SMT there. Maybe with the SMT, it's possible, but it's not a plus. So I gotta be patient. I want this setup right here. I want to see price come right here. The sneeze. That's it? Just one? Shit, bro. Um, so far we had price pretty. I think this is a fair assumption that we just take out these lows before going higher. It'll be around 1050. You know what? Longing the 15-minute fair value gap is not a bad idea either, actually. Let's see what happens. I'll focus on 1050 though. Yeah, it look like those lows are gonna get taken. This is not a bad long. I might risk 50% of my profits for today and then look for long towards this like volume and balance at least and potentially these highs. Off the 15-minute fair value gap if we get a nice setup. How long you been trading ICT? I've been studying I've been studying every day pretty much, but I've been trading ICT live, trading ICT for 6 months. Almost 7 months. 7 months now. Started January 1st. New year, new me. Haha. Just joking. I mean, not really, but okay. Let's see. Let's see here. Maybe if we can get low risk buy. The low risk buy. We started learning at the same time. Yeah, bro. Literally January 1st, I started watching ICT 2022 mentorship. And bro, my eyes just like everything just started hitting, you know? I was like, I think I found the thing that's gonna change my life, bro. You know? I couldn't stop watching. I watched the entire thing in like 2 days, 3 days. And then I watched it again, took notes. Then I started demo trading, back testing, looking at models. Started going crazy, bro. I watched core content 3 times. And then the third time I made those notes. All that in 6 months. Bro, in 6 months, I've backtested over 1,000 trades. I backtested over 1,000 trades. I demo traded for like a month. I passed my first month. Oh, actually, no, I didn't. Because the emotions are gonna hit you. That's most likely. 15-minute breaker downside. What? You have ADHD? I don't know. I've never been tested. Maybe. Bro, how are best method to backtest? Can you help me out? Forex replay is pretty good. You have to pay for it, but they give you a 5-day free trial. And if you're smart, you can just continuously get the 5-day free trial. That's what I used to do because I was broke, super broke. Um, I backtested over in 6 months. I backtested over 1,000 trades. I watched 2022 mentorship 4 times. I watched core content 3 times and made those notes with 30,000 words, 200 pages. Um, what else have I done? I forward tested obviously, and yeah, I passed my first funded on January 31st. I got a payout and then blew the account. I was over risking back then. 2023 mentorship. I watched the episodes from the 2023 mentorship. It's not really a mentorship, it's just kind of the playlist. How did this thing guy get back in here? Bro, for some reason I don't. Oh, Ben. I got him, boys. I got him. Bro, why isn't it leaving? I literally banned him. What is this? And bro, why is there 56,000 people in there, bro? You use TPT? What's TPT? What's fun? What's the most you can make? Unlimited, bro. Yo, Les, was that you? I swear I tried to do it, bro. It wasn't working. Take profit trader? No, I don't know what that is. Sorry, bro. You need to put an emoji net beside it, Les. How much were you risking when I passed? I was risking like 400 per trade, around 300 to 400. Did CC month 5 help you that much? Which one's CC month 5? What was the title? Is that the like the beginning of top-down analysis? Let me see this. Month 5. It helped me understand the market, but it didn't really help me Episode 14 is good. It's a pretty good month. It's a pretty good month. Um, it's good to understand the market. It gives you like a foundation, and you begin to think in the mind of if we can get a market structure shift here. I'll take this long. Um, what else is necessary? It's not necessary, but in my opinion, you can learn a lot. You begin to understand how the market books, how it moves. Liquidity market structure shift is all you need. That's true in terms of a model, but it's important to know why it's happening because then you can learn and improve. So is it true you can't passive respond it? If it is, no, of course you can, but you better be ready. Most people go in and they're not ready. I thought I was ready. I was wrong. I got humbled by the markets. Then I passed my next one. Um, my story for the first funded was I was $400 away from passing. I was one trade away. I took a trade, I lost. Took another one, out of greed, I lost. I was down like 1,000 from my 400, and then I started over trading. I blew my account, and then I blew another account the same day because I was tilted. I was just going in max leverage, and then like I was like, okay, holy shit, this is bad. Like I just lost my cool, and I always thought I was the person who was never gonna lose my cool, you know. And then since then, really, it's been good. I haven't really done something like that since. And then I passed my next one, got a payout, blew that one. Then I got this one, got two payouts on this one. I still have it. Um, and now I'm working towards other funded. So I just got another funded yesterday, and I have 5 more challenges I'm trying to pass. But my goal is to get a payout before I pay for the activation fee because I need the money to pay for them. Breaker holding. What breaker are we talking about? The 50-minute breaker? Did it tap in? For me, it didn't tap in. But I'm looking for longs. If I get a 1-minute breaker inversion here, I'll take it. Honestly, the inversion, I might just take the inversion too. Okay, we're gonna take this, I think. Give it a couple seconds. This candle's still early, but we'll go with 2. Low risk, very low risk. Very low risk. Okay, I like this. We're gonna go low risk. Low risk. If we get stopped, we're done for today. I don't want to see a wick. Otherwise, we entered a bad trade. But ES looks good on the inversion. Traded into that wick. I think this is a good stop loss right here. Just above this candle open. Let's put on P&L so I know. I don't want to risk more than what I made today. 31. Yeah, so we'll be profitable today anyways. Okay, now that we've traded into this wick though, let's see. Do I want to increase my stop? There's an inversion right here. Okay, we're gonna go with this. This stop was good. Just based off that small inversion. Okay, this is the trade. That's it. I'm not trading anything. Where am I gonna TP? I don't know, actually. It's a good question. I want these highs. I'll probably TP when ES takes out these highs. TP at equal highs. Yeah, I'm thinking about these flat body highs. Let's see, you might stop us out first. ES has a fair value gap there. So I might lower my stop. Let's see. Actually, we'll just let it go. Still unprofitable. So this is the inversion we traded off of. It actually did not really inverse. Not clean, but we were like anticipating it. We closed above 50%. We're expecting 50%. I think this is going higher. ES looks good. Breakaway gap on ES there. Either way, we have good risk. I'll probably take a partial at 2R. Which I don't usually do. We'll do something like this. Yeah, we'll do something like this. I wouldn't be surprised if it stops us, because it should have already went. Kind of like ES. ES a lot cleaner. The ES inverse came back, tapped in, and so far expanding. Maybe there's something on the 30-second that looks a little bit cleaner. No, we're kind of stuck in a chop. We're creating a swing in M5. Yeah, my stop loss really M5 wick 50%. It's right below 50%. Oh, damn. Okay, we got liquidated quick. Close these limits. So we're still up on the day. Let's watch this. This is probably gonna go. In my opinion, this is probably gonna go. Don't think I'll give it another shot, but let's see. This is gonna go. Yeah, that was bad stop loss placement there. It didn't really make sense, and I knew that, but I wasn't really willing to risk more. Equal lows here. Let's see how this goes. DXY sinking. I really think this is gonna rush higher now. Could wait for 1050. I'm happy with the profits today. Let's watch out for 1050 and see. The only way I'd re-enter this is like if we tap into here maybe. No, it's not on ES though. Can you mark the 50-minute breaker once? Thank you. Do you consider the wick? Yes, the wick. It's this wick exactly. We could try 1 micro. Same trade idea. I don't like that wick. 1050 though. ES looks so much better. All right, we're gonna go 1 micro. We're gonna go 1 micro. 1 tight stop loss. If we lose, we're still in profit today. We'll try again. Pretty much same trade. We'll end my water, a little wider stop loss. If I haven't taken a trade today, I probably would have put something here, but I'm just trying to milk it. Milk it. Every time I enter on this inversion, it freaking wicks and fails to inverse. It's gonna stop me out again. Okay, we're done. Okay, we're break even on the day. On the challenges, we're a little bit profitable, but we are done. We're just gonna tape read this. That was very impulsive, but it was very low risk, so I was okay taking it. Would have been very good, like risk to reward. These equal lows might get taken, and then we'll get like a breaker. So like this, if it forms, you probably get your A plus. Let's see. ES tapped into here. I mean, this is like weird, to be honest. Are we spoofing? Yeah. Honestly, I was not expecting that. Look ready to go higher. I wonder if it displays as higher now. I just want to watch this. So break even day. I'm gonna close. Losing is part of the game, but trading as account is gambling with FEG. 15-minute break even, SMT 1 minute. Yeah, this is probably a lot better than the trade that I took. I'm not gonna take it because I already took. I don't want to overtrade this, but this is a lot better. If we close up this range, that would be a lot better. Should have been more patient on the second entry there. The reason I took it was because, bro, the candle forms. I literally entered market and then it just wicks. I could wait for a close, but I was expecting like fast expansion, like this candle. If you took for the close on this candle, then bro, you would have been filled awfully. So you're waiting for the inversion 1 minute. If you get this inversion, then yeah, it'll be really good. I'm not gonna take it. I already took too many trades. Maybe on the challenge account I'll take it, because well, I don't really care about the challenge. Well, I care, but I'll probably just stop. We had a good week. No, I'm not gonna trade again. I'm not gonna trade again. I'd be breaking rules. Gotta stay disciplined. Oh shoot, did my Discord link expire? I don't even know what to expect anymore. Let this winner go. It might not even go. I'm getting confuzzled. This SMT breaks. Inversion would still be valid, but wasn't expecting expansion. Like, did we really just? No way we just like fall short of all-time high like that, right? No way. Maybe, I guess. I don't know. This is hard price action. Was good knowing you keep until you're up. Appreciate you, brother. Today was a good week, man. Today I'm never gonna complain. Never gonna complain. We broke even on the day. Well, actually, we're down 20 cents on the funded, and we're up $15 on the other funded. So basically, break even on all accounts, which we'll take. You know what? At least we're not negative on the. We're not negative. Hindsight, Harry. I don't think that long was bad. It wasn't. Yeah, I guess it was. It wasn't really A plus. I should have waited for the inversion fully, I guess. But it looked like it was gonna form. Like literally the last second, it just like wicked, you know? Because I always wait for this. Like I think it's like 5 seconds or 10 seconds. I'll wait for it. But damn, look how it respected. Like, almost perfectly. Give it a couple ticks and it respected perfectly. I guess we were like a little bit antsy there. We just traded into the 5-minute FEG with the breaker. Down 4%. That's okay, bro. Listen, it's Friday, bro. You should just maybe enjoy the rest of the day off. Review your trades. It's all good, bro. Listen, this account, believe it or not, this account was at 3,000 after I took a payout. It was at 3,000. I went all the way down to $200, bro. I was down. I had 200. I had literally one trade, maybe two to work with. and we've been slowly building it back since. And in that process, we passed another funded, and we're almost past five more fundeds on top of that. They're like pretty close. You were trading with one micro? Yes, sir. I think one or two. I don't remember, to be honest. Maybe Kumar remembers. Kumar, you remember, right? That day we hit 200. What happened was I was at 600, and then I somehow took a trade overnight or something that I don't know about, and I was at 200. I guess I must have left a limit, but I swear I closed the limit on stream, bro. Good times, good times. So hopefully we can bring this back up. Once we're back up above 3,000, we can start trading with normal risk. I believe 5 to 6 before passing one, switching strategies mid challenge. Happens, brother. I don't think I like this. I think I'm definitely not gonna take another trade, but I'll stay on the charts for a bit. Just chill, talk to you guys. Yeah, that was a tough one. Holy shit. I have so many DMs. Let's start replying to these people. I don't know what to expect right now. Maybe we long off that second 15-minute fair value gap. Like right here. Breaker, maybe. No way we're gonna invert. Yeah, I don't know, bro. I really thought at that point we just take all-time highs. Um, but let's see. I guess, there's just some stuff I don't know. What I do know is I rushed that entry for sure. Casual Google and Meta crash? That's weird. Yeah, look at discount and premium for sure. Like I would never long from here. If I was gonna long, it would have to be like there. So I guess that's one mistake I made, to be honest. Wasn't even thinking about that. The only reason I longed that was because we were so bullish. I was expecting this 15-minute breaker that we started wicking above to hold. I was like, yeah, that's just enough. We're in optimal now, but damn, I know, like we're in OTE. You would expect now for it to work, but like, I don't even know what to say, bro. Like, maybe. You see how we like kind of wicked here? We started pushing up from this old low breaker. So I was like, okay, I'll long this if we get the inversion. And it looked like we were gonna get it. And then last second we just didn't. So that's on me, kind of. Second trade, same thing happened. We went down just a little bit, and then we saw two big pushes, taking the candles high. No displacement though, so I guess you can say it was a bad trade. It was. It was like a C plus, maybe B minus. It was close to being a lot more. I should have been just a little bit more patient, and I probably would not have taken that trade. I was just a little bit more patient. But it is what it is. Right now we're in OTE, so we could see a move higher. I don't know what to expect anymore. I honestly think the market it has its own objective. I don't know what that is. OTE is nice. Four-hour low could. Bro, look at that wick. Like, bro, how did this candle flip bearish? Like, we really just like came back as if like nothing happened almost. So and like, damn, you know what? That 4-hour bearish fair value gap, bro. We genuinely wicked that 4-hour bearish fair value gap perfectly CE and then never came back. What are some things you look for when backtesting? Do you journal them too? Yeah. So I've journaled a lot of my backtesting. So for me, when I when I'm testing a strategy, I don't backtest. But when I'm collecting data for the strategy, I backtest. So for example, I can show you the most recent stuff I've done. I'll just show you quickly. Yeah, there was an inversion in there too, Kumar, on the left. Um, for example, ignore this. Honestly, I've been lacking. But in July, I swear to you, we're gonna keep our fucking uh, journal. We're gonna keep our journal because now that we have multiple fundeds, we can keep the journal and we can have good risk. For example, this is some backtest data. This isn't like I'm not focused on winning here. Well, obviously I am. I'm focused on collecting data. So like for example, I'm collecting data on the time, the confluences, the PD arrays, like how, if I'm getting stopped out, if it's playing out after, um, that kind of stuff. Like the little stuff to refine my model. Like where should I TP? Where should I stop loss? How much RR does my model usually go? Like what am I TPing at 2R? But a lot of my trades are going 3 and 4. Because if then, why am I TPing at 2? You know? Am I getting stopped out because I have a bad stop loss? Do I notice a lot of drawdown in my trade before it goes? Because if so, I can get better entries, you know? Like those little things can make it, just like those little things can increase your win rate a lot. For example, let's say you took 100 trades and you notice that like in 9 out of 10 trades, you don't really go that much in drawdown. Like it hits your limit and then it goes, right? You could probably get away with a smaller stop loss. Holding this dump. Yes. At this point, yo, we're coming for this 930 low. You can't tell me otherwise. You're telling me low of true day is 930? I feel like that's really rare. That's really rare. Wow. That's almost 100, 270. That's almost a 200 point. I genuinely don't want to look at the charts, bro. Small 15-minute FEGNQ bearish, I'm guessing. Right there. Oh, right here. This would be like OTE, max OTE. Bro, at this point though, bro. At this point, I think we're coming for 930 low. 2-day low. Yep, usually around the high of day, true day is usually 930 to 1030. It's really rare for this to be 930. 930 low usually gets taken out, I would say. I don't know. This price action was hard to read. Very large range, very one directional. If you were a part of it, that's good. Hard to read, hard to predict this, in my opinion. Especially being so close to all-time highs on ES, you just really thought it was gonna take it. Like we were literally, what was that, 5 points? Three. We were like 3 points away, and we just sink. Weird, right? Usually not the kind of stuff you see. Yeah, I honestly, in my opinion, yeah, this is hard trading. I would just start enjoying your weekend now, guys. Start enjoying your weekend. If I was at worst day, just coming back and play Fortnite Reload. Oh yeah, isn't there like the Fortnite thing coming? It's like the throwback thing, right? Honestly, yeah, bro. I might just honestly just gonna chill. I live in an apartment. We have a pool downstairs. Might just go jump in there. My girl's busy all day, so I'm gonna just do my shit. Reply to some DMs. Give people this ebook. Caught a nice win today. We took 2 losses after break even. Pretty much nothing happened today. You hitting the gym today? Today's actually my rest day. I did legs yesterday. I always rest after legs, bro. Fucking legs tiring as shit. So no gym. So I might just go jump in the pool, eat a lot of food, play some games. Maybe I'll backtest, get some more data. Are you cracking on Fortnite? Like go so fast? I'm not that good. I used to be really good as a kid. When I say kid, I mean like 16 years old. What games? I play. Have fun, relax. My favorite games, bro. I play Valorant. I play TFT. I'm a nerd. I also like chess too. I like chess. Valorant, TFT, CS:GO. I've tried CS:GO, but personally, I like Valorant more. It's like similar. There's a lot of cheaters on CS:GO, but CS:GO is pretty fun. Who were you going for in Euros? Valo's a copy? Yeah, exactly. Um, I don't know. Is Portugal out? My girl's Portuguese, so I guess Portugal. Not a big soccer fan. I'm more of a basketball fan. But if I had to pick, I'd pick Portugal. What about you, bro? Who do you think's gonna win, or who are you voting for? Oh, someone DM me. Give me my notes. What? What are you saying, bro? But my notes. Bronny should have gone drafted. Oh shit, Bronny got drafted. Crazy. You going for Germany? Hey, Germany. I hope Germany wins. Wild day. Yeah, this is wild. This was. I feel like significant amount of people maybe lost. You also look for YM. Not anymore, bro. Just feel like YM kind of does its own thing. I don't really look at YM. I'm more focused on ES, and I'll use DXY for inverse correlation. That's what I mostly do now. I used to, but um, it's supposed to be, but it's yeah, I don't know. It just doesn't be doing its own thing. Like we're gonna shift in 4 hour. Yeah, probably. So maybe that bearish bias was correct all along, bro. We really respected this 4 hour. Damn. Could see the weekly for value gap on ES now, maybe. But I'm not trading this. I honestly don't want to look at the charts. That's it. I hit my mental reach. We melting. Yeah, the breaker in 4 hour. This breaker right here. High low, higher high, lower low. This S&P in that 4 hours had been a great trade. Yeah, if we took out the high, we would have shorted, but we did not. So no trade, no trade, no short at least. We never got the short that we wanted. We did kind of anticipate this move, just not at that time, right? So it's fine. It happens. We missed some moves. It's a large move. We missed both of them, but it is what it is, you know? A lot of people, they focus on like, a lot of people, you know what they do? They'll see a move and they'll be like, oh, how could I have caught it? Which is fine if you missed it, but you don't need to catch every move. You need to catch the moves that your model presents, right? You can't catch every move. You don't need to catch every move. If you try to take every move, you're just gonna end up losing more. It's all about the moves that your model presents. So people will say like, "Oh, if I saw this fair value gap, like," but does that your model say that? Because if not, then Doesn't matter. In hindsight, a lot of people get FOMO and entering trades after seeing others' profits. Yeah, yeah, a lot of people do. Which is, I mean, it's normal. It happens. It happens. I mean, we already have S&P in the higher time frame. Yeah, we do have SMT. Like, if you look very hard to shorten your time. Yeah, and it's you also don't know, like, right? It easily, very easily. Trust me, there's been times, and you've probably noticed, it'll just take all-time highs and then just go like this, bro. Like, it'll just not even retrace. Sometimes it'll just like give you like one or two down close candles, and it'll just like maximum expand. It happens very often. Shorting all-time highs is always risky because you don't know when it's gonna retrace, right? You really don't know. On swinging option contracts, uh, definitely possible. I feel like most option traders they just trade same day expirations or like next day expirations. I've never traded options, but yeah, I know a lot of people make money with it, so you can definitely do it too, brother. If that's your thing, that's your thing. Look at that wick. How many points is that way? 125 points. Yo, Alev, you still here? I just found out that I think everyone can do at everyone in the Discord. Is that true? I gotta find a way to make so that's not possible. Oh, it would it be under roll? Okay, I'll check. I'll check. Have a different chart. I'm on Industry and ESK. Oh, we're on different charts. ES took all-time highs on another chart. Was it the like this one or something? Or did I click the same one? I'm a fucking idiot. Hmm. I don't know, man. I guess there's another chart. ES took all the time. That would make sense. Or is it beta just? Like, then it would make sense. US 500. Oh, US 500. Okay, okay. I mean, yo, did you catch the short? I think it's still difficult to short all-time highs, but hey, man, I was gonna do it with low risk. It's all about risk management. I think you fixed it. Oh, clutch. Probably. Just replying to a bunch of people here. I'll stay here until you guys leave, but that's pretty much it for me today. In my opinion, we take out 930 low. I didn't expect this reversal to happen now. I expected it to happen in PM. I don't know what the fuck PM is gonna do, bro. But 930 low, I think is definitely high probability to get taken out. Not necessarily now. Could happen later. Could retrace. Could. I don't even want to try and predict it. Don't even want to try and predict it after the fire budget. You respected as bullish as fuck. That's what I'm saying, bro. This like respected nicely. Huge wick. And we really showed expansion. This is tough. Friday's tough. Because you know, Friday doesn't really fit into the weekly profile. Like, we respected the daily for value gap. I was really expecting lower. Who knows, man? Who knows? If this candle closed like this, I would be bearish. Probably still aiming for this low. Respecting the daily, it's working against the 50%. I get it. Why this day is so shit? Wait, why? You know something I don't? For me, I anticipated it to be difficult for sure because especially the 4 hour clean. Yeah, but it also respected this 4 hour clean. Like we're just dancing. We're still trending up. Oh, calendar for next week is shitty. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Next week is tough, and it's also the last day of the month. That's true. I didn't even. I mean, I knew, but I didn't think about it. Very true. Very true. Last day of the month. Even like sometimes just the last week is tough. First week, third, last week is usually tough because the monthly candle's closing. So did we just put in the monthly high? Like really, this is like kind of like monthly TGIF. No, is that a thing? Like the monthly retrace? Yeah. Because we just yeah, we like kind of went back up into that monthly like TGIF, I guess you could say. That makes sense. Always look at the monthly chart. Makes sense. Yeah, I'm gonna put an emoji. I think lesson and the next month is perfect for period three. Typically FEG, yes. Yeah, that would be perfect. PO3, like we manipulate down to the weekly FEG. Yes, maybe NQ can do something similar, like into the wick, maybe. And then we just take out all-time highs. That would be clean. And I think seasonal tendency is also bullish. They were going to take out those equal lows on H4. Yeah. Those equal lows. NQ has SSL in 4 hour. These equal lows, yeah. Weekly FEG on NQ, yes. Yeah, maybe. I mean, next week's going to be tough. August is the worst. Wait, why is August so bad? Worst month of the year? Vacation? People go on vacation? Vacation for big money? Oh, interesting. Yeah, you know some shit I don't know. You know some shit I don't know. I hear August is the best to go summer because crappy price action. Well, that sucks. Hopefully we can get a payout before August. And then we go on vacation. Just kidding, I can't go on vacation. I'm broke. But get some payouts. Chill. We're gonna lock in July. Yeah. I know I've heard it before too. Then December. December is also really bad, right? No? Oh, December's good? Oh, US elections in December? US elections always really bad. Tough. Manipulation. Extreme. SMT and longs. Do we take it very low? What SMT? I don't see no SMT. Talking about 943. Man, I don't care about that SMT. This is a low probability SMT. The only SMT that would matter for me is this. I want to see this SMT. But like I said, this price action is hard. I don't like to say price action is shitty. If it's very choppy, okay, that's pretty shitty. Nobody wants to be in choppy conditions. But what I will say is, I like to say that's just hard. I probably at the very end of it. It's about the key level, right? It's not really about your long term paper. Good luck, paper millionaire. And it's about the key level, right? Because on the 15-minute time frame, there's nothing, right? There's nothing. For example, it's just we retraced 15-minute fair value gap. We respected it right here. So we could potentially see longs because we respected the 15-minute, and we're also in OTE. See that OTE respected 50%. We could expect higher prices, at least until here, for example, but no SMT at the low, like here. So if I was expecting a full reversal, that would probably need that. Targeting 55 points. Good luck, brother. It's not a bad setup at all. OTE, 15-minute fair value gap respected. Discount, pretty clear drawn liquidity, right? You can target this high at least. Could go more. 50% of the fair value gap. You can do 50% of the range. You could just target premium. First goes from discount to premium. So it's not bad. Not bad at all. Well, we hit the most views we've ever hit. I think that's it for me today. We are up on the week. We passed, yeah, my bet. Hit premium or 50%. That's it for me today. Next week, Monday, good. We chop and then Friday. Friday expansion. We have good news on Monday, right? Like PMI or something? Yeah, PMI Monday. Tuesday is Fed chair jolts. And then Wednesday is the early close. Thursday is the no trading. Fed chair speaks at 9:30 a.m. I am probably not trading Tuesday, bro. Day before bank holiday and it's 9:30 a.m. and Fed Chair Powell is speaking at 9:30. And then there's 10 a.m. red folder. Holy shit, that sounds like a manipulation fest, bro. Probably not gonna trade Tuesday. I'm expecting like a lot of movement, but I don't think I can trade that shit. No way. And then Wednesday's not tradable either, right? I might look Wednesday, close it at 12. Maybe I can find like a 2-to-1. Like 5 minute and 5 minute and 30 seconds or something. And then yeah, Thursday's nothing, and then Friday's NFP. Oh wait, no, it isn't. It's not farm employment. NFE. But remember, not farm week. But is it non-farm payroll? I don't think it's NFP, no? This is non-farm employment change. Is that the same thing? It's not the payroll numbers. Shit, it's the same thing? But they changed the name or some shit? For me, it says non-farm employment change. Was that NFE, bro? What about NFP? Non-farm payrolls. Yeah, but it's not payrolls. Like at least I don't see that they're releasing Like it's employment. Is it the same shit? It says, like, does it say payrolls for you? What I'm saying is it doesn't say payrolls. It says employment. Is that the same thing? Like I think they go over the employment numbers, which is pretty similar to the payroll numbers. Friday? Wait for me. I'll just fucking show you, bro. From what I know, non-farm employment is where they talk about the employment numbers, not the payroll. It's probably similar. FOMC plus NFP. Yeah, we have the meeting minutes. Non-farm payroll is Friday. Employment is Wednesday. Shit, maybe this is just wrong. Because there is unemployment claims. It does say non-farm employment change. So it's maybe it's like they just mistyped it or something. It's supposed to be payroll. The Friday's the real one? Well, Friday's supposed to be. Usually it says like non-farm payroll. JCap said. Yeah, 100%. Friday's NFP, which is where they release the payroll numbers. Maybe they changed the name. I think it must be just an error or something. I don't know. I bet you another website probably says like non-farm payroll. I think that's it for me today. I don't have much. No forex positions. No, just clean slate today. Well, that's it. If no one has any questions, I'm gonna go make a fat breakfast, watch some Netflix, maybe edit some videos, reply to some DMs. People on next week will be CPI. See you, Ryuk. Thanks for joining, brother. Thanks for everyone joining. Break even day, totally fine. I was talking to you. You guys hear that shit? Anyways, peace out, everybody. See you guys. If you have any questions, at me in the Discord. Probably going to be back testing later on. Just testing out some things. Peace out. See you left. Thank you for everything, brother.